Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to create bulk IP address and address groups in Palo Alto Networks Firewall. So let's get started. This is my Palo Alto Networks Firewall. Let's navigate to the objects and then addresses. You can see we don't have any address objects at this moment, right? I'm having a few of the IP addresses and the subnet mask objects like /24 or /32 into Notepad++. So what you need to do, you just need to open this particular URL in web browser. Let's copy it and open it here. Now we need to just copy the all of the IP address from the Notepad++ file, copy them and just paste it here. This script will automatically create the address groups as well, so you need to provide the address group name like block list underscore 14012023, right? It could be any name, and click on submit. This particular program will automatically create a script that you need to be run on the CLI. If you want to validate it, just copy it here and let's put it on Notepad++ page. You can see like the way we are going to configure. We are going to be make the config output format to set. We will on the scripting mode and then we will start configuring the IP address on the firewalls. Finally, if the all of the IP is configured, then we will create the groups. The group, in each group we will create the 500 IP address. So in case if you have more than 500 IP addresses, we will create the separate group automatically for your particular device. Now let's go to the Palo Alto again, copy the IP address and take the SSH session. Alright, copy it from here and paste it. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. Just navigate to the firewall again, refresh the addresses. You can see it's going to be created like 59 already created. Since Palo Alto Networks have the separate management plane, you don't need to worry about the load you are having on the firewall, because it's going to be impact only the management plane a bit. That's it. It's almost going to be create. 261 and 313 now. From the CLI you can see nothing going on. It's exiting from the configuration mode, so that's fine. Looks like all the address objects is configured. Like you can see it's 353 is configured, and the one address group that we define like block list underscore 14012023, and the one it's created so that if you have more than 500 IP addresses, it will automatically segregate these into the different groups. So yeah, it can be useful during the migration process, or somewhat you can, if you are not using external timing list to block your malicious traffic, so it will be going to be save your time for sure. Maybe if you want, let me commit it out and just to show you the all the configuration is there is valid. And also if you just have a look with the few objects like we created with /24 like 192.168.20/24, we have just remove the slash from here and put the minus there, and you can see the address object there. So it will definitely going to be save your time. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion, you may reach out to the YouTube comments or maybe through the websites, just you need to be look up from the, just click on the contact us, and you just need to fill this form, and it will going to be send me email, so I'm going to be revert your comments out there. Thank you. Bye.